In our second example, we want to look at the lateral areas of two similar paint cans. And then we want to find the volume of one of the paint cans. So here's the deal. We've got two paint cans. One's got this surface area, lateral area. One's got this lateral area. So that's an area concept. And we also have the volume of the smaller can. So this could represent the smaller can and the larger can. So it doesn't matter that we have a picture of it. That's not important. Just the smaller can, the lateral area of it is going to be 425. And the lateral area of the larger can is 1,019 according to the problem. Also, the volume of the smaller can is 1,157. We want to find the volume of the larger can. That's how this is going to work. So what we want to do is, since we have the two values of the lateral area, we're going to compare those in a ratio. So we're going to do 425 over 1,019. And that represents A squared over B squared because that's area. That's the concept of area. So what we're going to need to do is turn this down, reduce this down to A over B. So this is not a perfect square, so we're just going to take the square root of that fraction. So let me grab my calculator here. And I will do the square root of 425 over 1,019 and show that to you somewhere here. And that's going to be that number there. I'm actually not going to write it down. Actually, I will write it down, but I'm not clearing it from my calculator. 0.646. So this would be A over B would be 0.646. And you could put it over 1 if you wanted to leave it as a fraction. That might be helpful. But now I need to find a volume. So that means I actually need to take this number and take it to the third power because I need to know A to the third over B to the third. So I'm going to take this number and I'm going to take it to the third power. So let me raise it to the third power and I get 0.269. Again, don't clear that. I'll leave it as 0.269 over 1. The reason I want it over 1 is because I'm going to now set up a cross multiplication problem. It'll be 0.269 over 1 equals, and now this is the smaller volume, so it's going to go right here, and this is going to be my larger volume, and I can actually cross multiply this to get my solution. So I'll multiply that. That'll be 0.269V equals 1 times that, 1,157, and I'll divide by 0.269 and come over here. The volume will be, I'm actually going to use this number, not the number that's on the paper. So I'm going to do, what am I doing here? 1,157 divided by my answer, and that's going to give me the volume of the larger paint can, 4295.48. 4,295.48, and that unit is centimeters cubed because it is a volume. And so there is the volume of the paint can.